Oh my god. Hey everybody, it's Alyssa and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For this week's video, I'm going to be doing a how to organize your phone video. Basically, I'm going to show you guys how to make your phone aesthetic and minimal and completely customized to you. So I'm so excited to show you guys these these tips. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. These types of videos do really well on my channel, so I really hope that you guys enjoy. And without further ado, let's get on with this video. If you guys are subscribed to my channel, then you guys know that I did a what is on my iPhone video. Now, I really liked how I organized my phone and how it all kind of matched with like the neon purpley type of dealio aesthetic thing, but I ended up changing it the next day just because I don't know, I just wasn't really planning on it. I just kind of wanted a new background, I wanted a new like bunch of widgets, and it all came together super easily, and I wanted to make a video on how I did that so quickly. Go. This is what my new like phone looks like. It is super duper similar to the one before. I really like how I organize it. So I have 2 rows and a medium-sized widget on the first page. These are the ones that I use every single day, super quick access. And then on the second page are the ones that I use a lot, but not a lot, and then the rest I obviously have in my app library. I kept the third page the same with 2 small widgets, a medium widget, and then another medium widget, but the medium widget in the middle being weather. Okay, yeah, I think that's it. So basically, I got all these photos from Pinterest, and these are super duper fun to find and cool to like mix and match, I guess you could say. And the only app that you need to help customize your phone is Widgetsmith, which will have photos that you can make into widgets. So I'm pretty sure everybody has heard of them. It was super duper trending in the beginning. So let's say that I wanted to kind of make one really similar to this. So basically, I'm gonna go on Pinterest and I'm gonna search for whatever kind of style I'm feeling. And I was really feeling pink clouds. So this is really similar to the one I have right now, but I ended up finding a few down here, and let's just say I found this one and I really like it. It's got some purples, some blues, and some pinks, and I really enjoy how this looks. So this could be my background. So let's just set this as my background. Let's say we want to change it again, and let's make this my wallpaper. So let's go ahead and set it. And let's say that it didn't match my other widgets, which it kind of does, but it doesn't a lot like the other one did. So I want to go to Pinterest and I want to find what like the one that I have, and I want to search up kind of like the aesthetic of the same like wallpaper I had. So let's say it's like these pink clouds. So I'm gonna look for pink aesthetic. And I'm basically gonna search for the ones that I really like. Like this one seems super duper cute, so I just kind of put it next to the photo of my wallpaper, and you kind of put them next to each other and you see if they like, I guess, fit together. So I really like this one seems to fit. Maybe a blue one now. All of these are super duper cute and they're so easy to find. So then you just kind of want to go around Pinterest and find as many pictures as you want to include. I like to have one right here, so this is one widget, and then 2 small ones up here, so here and here, and then I have my weather widget and then a medium one right here. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go into the app Widgetsmith. So look at all of my little tops. So let's add 3 small ones. So you click it, you just add one, and then I like to scroll down to photos in album. Oopsies, I mean just photos, selected photo, and then choose your photo. I'm gonna go ahead and choose the photo, and then save it, and then just add all the rest. If you ever just want to add one, then you can go ahead and hold down and click edit your home screen and then add it at the top left, and you find Widgetsmith. And then you just want to click whichever one you want. So let's say I wanted to add these, but since I already have pre-existing ones, I can go ahead and go to whichever one I want to choose, click edit widget, and then change the widget to whichever number I want. So let's just do 12. See, now it's changed, and then we can do the rest of them. The cool thing about this is that you can change this literally whenever you want. I just changed this clearly in front of your eyes in 5 minutes or less, and it's super duper easy. And so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to share with me your new lock screens or whatever by DMing it to me on Instagram at @thealyssaann, and you can go ahead and drop a follow on that account as well if you guys just want to see what I'm up to on my everyday life. I've been getting a lot more into my Instagram now, so I'm really excited to share with you guys some new photos, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys all so much for all of the support, and yeah, I love and appreciate you guys so much. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Bye.